Who here has started something, though didn't finish it? Understanding why you're doing it. A lot of times I've found in working with clients or myself, we say, oh, I want to improve my health, but we don't understand the impact of why I want to improve my health. So it's that first challenge, we might overcome the little one, but when a big challenge comes, this is when we'll test out that why. Actually had a client very recently. I've been working with him for just over 2 months. When he approached me, he had problems with his weight. He couldn't sleep, hasn't been able to sleep a proper night's sleep in years. I'm not just talking months, years, which contributed to his weight. I've taught him. He was depressed. He was actually on antidepressants, so he was taking medication, and he lacked a lot of self-confidence. So I think they all kind of intertwine with one another. 2 months into it, we started to see some very good results. Not only was he sleeping a whole night's sleep, he was starting to move a lot, starting to eat better, and he started to see the impact his choices were making on other people. So I asked him, so what do you feel was the difference that made the difference? Because we'd done a lot of work over the 2 months. And he said to me, to be honest, Paul, I've realized that my actions don't just affect me, they affect my family. And they affect my colleagues at work. I'm doing this not just for myself, but I'm doing this for my brother. I'm doing this for my sister. I'm doing this for my mother. I'm doing it for my kids. And he goes, so it's not just me anymore, it's something bigger than me. Who or what in your life needs you to be healthy? I would like you to think of yourself included. So include yourself. Think family, colleagues, so job. And I also want you to think the people I serve or I wish to serve.